Well, I hope this is going to work. I'm not sure. Who knows? Hey, hi, how you doing? Don here, the German printing nerd. Ni hao, konnichiwa. Salute. Bonjour. Zdrowa. Merhaba. Konnichiwa. Yeah, how you doing? Well, I'm just printing away, as you know how everything goes. And after about 3 days of printing, I was able to finish up this print here. This is the lighthouse. This is exactly called the Elders Lighthouse. I'll put a link to the download page if I can find it again. I'll put a link down there so that you can go and download it yourself and print it. This is a really beautiful print. This one that I have right here, this is well, let's say when you download it, you get a package. You have two different sets in there. You have one set that is 3 parts, normal, the bottom part, the lighthouse, and then the roof. And then you have one that's called high quality. A bit smaller when you open it up. I'm not sure, because I've printed this one. This was the high quality one. I raised it up 300% so that it's a decent size. And yeah, I don't really see any difference. And after talking to a colleague that printed the normal one, you don't really see any difference at all, he told me. And well, I am planning on printing this one, but yeah, we'll see. I hope I can mix up the colors correctly so that I can get some nice colors to print this, because I only have, thank God, our grocery store, they had some sales going on, and for €1.99 I got this package of brushes. As you can see, look okay to print something like that. I hope okay. And then at another week, it wasn't the same week, it was 2 weeks apart, I got this one. As you can see, acrylic paint, 100 milliliter bottles. You have white, yellow, blue, red, and black. Normally you should be able to get every color you want out of that. I hope that'll work. And before I forget it, let me get something, because I'm going to need that too. Yes, there you are. So-called painter's scaffold. Well, I got 2 of them right there. I ordered these. I think they were somewhere around €1.99 or something like that a piece. They're hard plastic so that you can, I think, wash them out with no problem at all. Yeah. And unfortunately, my wish, well, let's just say I received the package 2 days ago, the Elgato Game Capture HD, installed the software, connected that thing to USB 2.0 port, then connected it to a USB 3.0 port. Windows 10 will not recognize it at all. I don't know why. Software and everything's installed. No idea. So, what am I going to do now? I already listed that in eBay to sell. hopefully I'll get it sold soon enough so that I have enough money to buy a Logitech 920 camera. Because the 525, well, it's okay, but let's just say the video quality could be a bit better. And I think y'all will agree with me in that. Yeah, but anyway, right now, my D9, it's printing, no problem. Except for the bed leveling. That's something I have to do on the fly, manual, every time. I will not say, you know, that the D9 is a wonderful printer. Let's just say after I finally get the 2 updates done on it, well, we'll see how it's working, and if it's working good, I'll let it run a month or so, and then I will make a final review on the One-How Duplicator D9 with a 300 by 300 by 400 print format. But anyway, just to kill a little bit of time, I wanted to start taking all my corner brackets, put the M5 screws in them, at least on one side or maybe even on both sides, I don't know, and put the hammer nuts on them so that these are ready when I get the package from the UK with all the frame parts. That was a big joke. Yeah. Let me show you from this example. This is an M5 screw. This is an M5 screw. And this little thing right here that you can hardly see between my fingers, that's a hammer nut. When I try to put those two together, no way, no way. And they call these M5 hammer nut. I checked it out. That's an M4 screw that'll fit in there, but not an M5. Well, anyway, Amazon is going to be sending me my money back. It's not much, only about 22 euros. I ordered I hope the correct ones in Amazon today. Maybe they'll get here in a couple of days. Hopefully, and they'll be the right ones. But yeah, my brother from another mother sitting over there in the UK. I hope everything's okay. And Shane, if you can contact me through Discord, that would be nice. Let me know what's going on. And yeah, everything else is going okay, except for as always, money short, month is long. But y'all know how that is. Anyway, if you want to help the channel, you'll find links down in the description. But until then, hit the subscribe button, activate that bell so that when the next video will be posted, you'll be informed. Until then, I do wish you all happy printing. Take care and have a nice day.